Hello everyone, this is Meltem teacher and today we will be studying about weather for third graders. Also, we will talk about clothes and seasons too. Okay, so here we will do some practice about different types of weather. Alright, let's have a look at them. What is the weather like? Okay, first picture. What is the weather like here? It is sunny, as you can see. What about the second one? What is the weather like in the second picture? It is partly cloudy. What about the third one? What's the weather like in the picture? It is cloudy. You can see it in the picture. It is sunny, it is partly cloudy and cloudy. Okay, how is the weather in these pictures? Let's have a look at the first one. How is the weather in the first picture? It is windy. What about the second one? How is the weather here? It's a tornado. What about the next one? How is the weather here? It is stormy. Now, let's continue with these pictures. What is the weather like here? Look at the first picture. It is rainy in the first picture. What about the second one? What's the weather like here? As you can see, it is snowy. What's the weather like in these pictures? Okay, we have two pictures here. So in the first one, the weather is hot. Now, what about the second one? The weather is cold in the second picture. Now, we will continue with seasons. There are 4 seasons in a year. Now we will write their names one by one. So, first one, this is spring. And second one, it is summer. And the third picture is fall. And what about the last one? It is winter. Spring, summer, fall, and winter. Now, we will talk about the weather type in spring. So, what is the weather like in spring? You can see these pictures. In spring, the weather is sunny and warm, but it is rainy too. You know that in spring it rains as well. What about summer? What is the weather like in summer? You can see the pictures here. So in summer the weather is sunny and hot. What about the fall? What's the weather like in fall? You can see the pictures again. Okay. In fall, the weather is cloudy partly cloudy, and rainy. And it is usually cold in fall. Next one, we will continue with winter. What is the weather like in winter? You can see the pictures here, okay? In winter, it is rainy, stormy, and snowy. Also, it is cold in winter. Now, here in this part, we have some questions about weather types and seasons. Now, what's the weather like today? So, today it is partly cloudy. And let's continue with the second one. How many seasons are there in a year? Think about the seasons. We have 4 seasons in a year. So we can say there are 4 seasons in a year. And now third question. What is the weather like in spring? The weather is sunny and warm in spring. But also it is rainy too. What about summer? What's the weather like in summer? In summer it is sunny and hot. Now we will continue with fall. What is the weather like in fall? In fall it is cloudy, partly cloudy, and rainy. It is also cold in fall. What about the winter? How is the weather in winter? In winter, it is rainy, stormy, and snowy. It is also cold in winter. Now, next question. How many months are there in a year? Okay, there are 12 months in a year. Okay. Now, next part. This time we will write the names of the months, okay? First one, January. Then we have February. Then March. Then we have April. Then what comes next after April? We have May. Then what comes after May? It's June. What comes after June? It's July. What comes after July? We have August. And what is the next one? What comes after August? We have September. After September, we have October. And what comes next after October? We have November. And what comes after November? We have December. December is the last month of the year. And January, it is the first month of the year. Now we have January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Now, another one, write the spring months. Okay, so there are 3 months in each season. Okay, so first one, it's March. Then what comes next? It's April. After April, what do we have? May. Okay, these are all spring months. March, April, May. Now we will continue with summer months. What do we have? We have June, July, and August. These are all summer months. June, July, and August. Now we will write the fall months. Okay, first we have September, then we have October and November. Okay, and last part, what about the winter months? We have December, then we have January, and then we have February. These are all winter months. Now we will talk about the clothes according to seasons. Okay, what can you wear in summer? So I will give 3 examples for each part. All right, so let's write 3 clothes for summer. What can we wear in summer? We can wear a t-shirt, a dress, and shorts. These are the examples about the clothes that we can wear in summer. And next one, what can you wear in winter? So, a coat, a jumper, and boots. We can wear these clothes in winter. And what can you wear in fall? Alright, again we will write 3 examples about them. First, let's write a raincoat, jacket, and a scarf. And last one, what can you wear in spring? Alright, you can wear a shirt, a blouse, and let's say trousers. Okay, thank you for listening to me. This is the end of our lesson. Alright, see you in the next video.